Baka actually, baka yung problem ni Chris is yung parang problem ko before. Nag-update kaya siya ng drivers.
Past, tsaka sino yung the future.
Ay, bold lang.
Say stop.
Start.
Start the putik. Ako si future.
Okay, ako sa past. Did the other person choose the future?
Do you trust the person in the past?
Can you hear the person in the future?
Choose between...
Choose between butterfly or the bee.
Make sure the person chooses the same. The bee or the butterfly.
Ano?
Ikaw naman pumili ngayon.
Gusto ko yung bee kasi mabuhok siya.
Yes.
You're choosing the bee. Yes. I'm sure you're ready to start. But it's also the future also ready. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ano yung magka-connect na ba kayo or yun yung connection?
Di ko pa alam. Wala pang ano. Paano nga ba tayo magka-connect?
Magkasabay ba kayo?
Wala pa eh.
Okay.
Huh?
My dear daughter Rose.
Di ba tayo sabihin sa...
So,
Sino yung past?
ako.
South? Okay. Sa bagay. Para understandable naman na past.
Sure?
Merong cubicle device. Welcome to cubicle device 018F. That contains the room of the person in the past. Dito tayo mag-ano ata, magko-connect maybe. Ito na nga, you are about to establish a connection with the person in the past.
Ay, yan siguro yung code nyo.
Yung year.
Nahulaan ko!
Ha? Ano nahulaan mo?
I opened box of matches. I got box of matches.
Anong year of memory?
Year of memory, wait.
Para makakonect ako sa'yo.
1926.
Bakit?
Ika na no.
Diba sabi mo?
Teka. Okay. Tina-type ko sa ano puta. 1926 ano? Enter. Please communicate the following information to the person in the past.
Nahulaan na niya.
Yung ano, yung sa 9 na boxes, nahulaan mo na kagad?
Oo, nahulaan ko.
Mama, yan yung code nyo to connect. Tapos binuksan mo lang ko.
Yung pa-X siya?
Oo, parang ganun yung ginawa ko.
Yung 13579, yun ang ginawa mo?
Parang ganun, ganun yata yung pinindot ko.
Please confirm that the person in the past opened the box. Na-open mo na, no?
Yes, I got something.
You opened the box. Oh shit.
Wala.
Oh.
Ano to?
The box. You opened it.
May switch ako dito. Ayan. Family verification required to continue. Please activate input panel P1 and submit correcting.
Input panel P17.
Ito yung ano?
Need mo ilagay yung somewhere. Baka may mahulaan ka allegiance. Tapos masira na naman yung
ito!
Igot mo yan.
Ikot-ikot. Ito. Wait.
Oh no.
Click to zoom in. Yan. Hoy. Submit correct painting sequence. South?
Wait. Ano yan?
I have 4 paintings here.
House, B, Crow, and Rose and Albert.
Ano ba to? Okay. House, teka. House, B, Crow?
Yes, Crow.
Crow. And Albert? Ano?
Rose and Albert.
Rose and Albert. To. Ayun. Meron
Okay na.
ulit ako.
What do you need?
May mga... Ay, teka. Wait. Nag-iba na ba? Hindi. Ito. Family access required. Communicates niya.
Zoom.
You suffer from... Use 3 sliders to adjust smoke gas discharge.
I need 4 symbols.
Yung nakailaw sa akin. Yung parang may cross ba na nakabaliktad, ganon?
Yes.
Okay. Ayun, cross na nakabaliktad.
Ano to? Top to bottom? Ano to? Top, bottom, left?
1, 2, 3, 4. Bali, tama. Top muna. Left, top left, then top right. Then,
Ano yung top left?
inverted na cross.
Top right?
Circle na may cross sa gitna.
And then
Tapos,
bottom left.
parang spoon.
Oh.
Spoon. And then, isang square na may T sa loob.
Okay, I got it. Si baby, wag ulit.
Okay, anong next?
Ikaw.
May iaano ako ditong yung fan tsaka yung sa likod ng box ko merong yung tatlong dinadrag na parang switch.
Lines ba yan?
Tatlo siyang pa-horizontal na bali, may lines, limang lines.
Okay. Yung first is, diba, 5. Yung first is first, second is fifth, third is second.
Okay. Ba't umusok? Binigyan ako ng battery. Well done. And then I put the battery in the fan. Ito. Okay. Ventilation system activated. Communicate time. 13:15.
13:50.
Unlock lens. Use 3 lens switches to peek inside the room. Ito? May photo slide ako dito.
I'm sorry, Dada.
Ano nangyari sa'yo?
I broke Dada's Dada's
Lens? Unlock lens? Use 3 lens switches to peek inside the room of the person in the past.
Magagamitin mo yung item.
Ito. Key.
Ikot ko. Yung
Ayaw. Yun. Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
Ano to? May ano. Meron kang ano dyan. May tatlo yung sa lens ko dito, may tatlong parang switches na may ano, may picture. Yeah. May up arrow, may cross, then may spoon. Pero nasa ano siya, parang nasa circular thingy siya.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. I think bibigay mo sa akin yung position. Saan sila naka-position?
Yung arrow is nasa west. Yung spoon is nasa south. And then yung cross is nasa east.
Ayun. I saw your room. Ano to? Bukas? May
I need symbols.
may
With knife, tree, cube,
okay.
mask, I think, butterfly.
meron ako dito noon, pero yung white siguro. Teka. May anong tawag dito? Pa-vertical na rectangle yung position ng symbols, 'di ba? 2 by 3. Then may colored sa'yo and may white.
I can press button the squares to make it light white.
Okay. So starting sa first row, colored na parang butterfly.
Colored yung butterfly. And
then white na parang bundok, mountain. Okay. Second row is white na tree. Dead tree. Then, ano to? Parang mukha? Parang paper bag. Yeah. Colored yun. Colored. Okay. Third row is white na cube. Then,
nagpalit yung posisyon ng tatlong symbol.
anong tatlong symbol?
Yeah, yung arrow, yung cross, saka yung spoon.
Yung arrow, yung cross, tsaka yung spoon.
Nagpalit yung
Ay.
posisyon nila.
Okay. Let me know what, ano.
Okay, so kung clock to, nasa 1 o'clock position si cross, nasa 7 o'clock position si spoon, then nasa 10 o'clock position si arrow.
Okay. Same. Ayan. Okay. First row ulit. White naman ngayon na butterfly. Tas colored si mountain. Then, second row si tree, colored. Tapos si mask, colored din. Then, sa third row, colored na cube, tas white na knife.
Okay, nagpalit ulit yung position. 4 o'clock si cross, 8 o'clock si spoon, then 11 o'clock si arrow.
Lah. At ganun. Tawag dito. First row, white both. White pa sila parehas. Same ano, butterfly tas mountain. Tapos, second, parehas colored tree and mask. Then, third, parehas white cube and knife. Bakit?
Okay.
Ano? Ano nangyayari? Ay, teka, ito. Visual content with the person in the past achieve. Flip the 6 switches to the correct position. Insert floppy disk. 6 switches. Eto? Yeah, may ano ko dito, yung...
Okay na, bumukas na yung susunod na door. Kasi duwag ko yung bebe. Ang kulit. Isip na ikaw. Ang kulit, bebe.
Yung 6 switches ko, naka-arrange ng 3x2.
Anong switches? Okay.
Kita mo na?
Yan ba yung may mga arrows or may
Hindi.
directions?
Ano lang, up and down lang siya.
Up and down. Okay, so ano to left to right, top to bottom Up, down, up.
Up,
Then-
down, up.
Then sa baba is down, down, down.
Ayun, nabigyan ng floppy disk. Wait. Okay ko yung floppy disk dito. Yung future, di ba? Tapos po tayo na floppy disk. Loading extraction program. May kabaong. Albert Vanderboom. Communicate code and press enter. Ayun, may pangalan ka ba dyan or may letters, words dyan na mapaganohan? Kasi
Ano bang kailangan?
i-communicate ko daw tong code ko sa'yo. So,
Ano bang klaseng code yan?
may pangalan na Albert Vanderboom. Pero, some of the letters are blinking white.
Oh, wait, sige. Sige. What are the letters?
Yung nagbi-blink? L, V, Victory, A, Alpha, E, Echo, R, and O, Oscar.
Pang ilang O yung...
Yung first.
Okay. Hello, Dada. Okay, I have a picture of a lady.
Okay,
with
press
the
enter ko lang.
four-letter.
Please answer validation quest after coffin is open. What is closest to the heart? What is closest to the heart of Albert Vanderboom?
Si E-dub.
Anong spelling? E ka.
Igloo Delta Alpha Victor.
Ay, kagi. Delta Alpha Victor.
Ano?
Yan.
Igloo Delta Alpha
Ay,
Victor.
igloo pala. Yan. The person in the past places the altar key and obtains 3 substances. Bone, flesh, and blood. Select instructions.
I don't think you should be saying that though.
Ay. Hindi, select instructions. Ano ko pa?
Pwede na ganyan sa video. Chong na sa video.
Teeth. Need ko yung teeth sequence.
Okay.
May, ano to? Oh my God. Ilan to? 3, 6, 9, 10. 10 by 2. May nagbi-blink sa akin to. Paano to?
Wait, I'm not sure.
Ako pala magsasabi sa'yo nito. Mas kailangan makuha yung bone daw.
Bone?
Hindi, yung teeth yung icon niya. Yung tooth icon.
I'm not sure what it is.
May parang monitor ka ba dyan or something?
Monitor.
Wala. Minsan mo nakikita yung parang instruction sa'yo.
Sa paper.
Ah,
Wait. never mind. I opened something. Okay, I have tooth.
Ayan. So, sa akin, okay. Go.
Tooth, no?
Mm.
You have the sequence?
Oh.
Okay.
Ah,
I see 10 tooth on top, 10 tooth bottom.
okay. Sa akin, nagbi-blink ngayon yung fifth tooth sa top. Did you click it?
Mm-hmm.
Yun lang yung nagpo-blink sa akin eh.
Okay. What else?
Wala, yun lang. Yun lang yung nagbi-blink.
I have a diary here na may 4 boxes. Pwede ko siyang ayusin. Sa ear.
Teka.
Also, I have a code.
Wait.
6
Sige.
characters.
Wait lang. Yung sa, yun yung, tawag dito, may nakuha ka dun sa teeth.
No.
Okay, I guess, wait. No, return. Press X to return. Ayun pala. Okay. Hanapin ko. Yun. On photo slide. May diary ka, no? And,
Wait. I think I'm progressing something sa mga ngipin.
oh no. Okay, sige. I go back there. Hindi. Sige. Hintayin ko muna yun sa'yo.
I am doing something. I'm not sure what it is. Wait, can you do anything sa tooth na yon o papel lang ba yan?
Wala. Ano lang. Hot siya sa akin eh. Like, parang may nag-open na ano.
Damn
Tas
it, ang
yun,
haba
tas-
ng sequence.
Back na lang muna tayo. Doon tayo sa diary. May naano ako para to sa diary.
Wait, I'm getting good progress eh. Ano nga may pang-apat po tayo? Okay. Oh, I got two.
Got tooth? Okay.
Sa diary tayo?
Okay. Yes, diary. Person in the past should light all candles and place diary. Communicate information on photo slides. May photo slides ako dito. May mapagano ka ba dyan?
Photo slides.
Oh, shit.
Not really.
May 4 ako dito.
Ano yung 4?
yung na photo slides.
Sige, ano photo slides mo?
Yung first, ano siya eh, may parang placement, I think. So, merong top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. So, dun sa top left, merong,
Sige.
yung nasa top left is lalaki na parang nagche-chess. May hawak na chess piece, ganun. Black and white eh. Naka ano siya, tag dito.
Sa anong ano yan? Anong position?
Top left.
Okay. And then,
Teka. Top right is, excuse me. Nakahiga na, it looks like a shadow person na parang naka-sitting position na nag-glow yung eyes niya ng white.
okay, I'll try this. Then,
Okay, and then bottom left is a man holding a baby.
holding it.
A baby.
Bottom left, no?
Yes, bottom left.
No?
Ay, goods ka na?
Yeah.
Okay, what? Binalik ako sa top right na photo. Babae siya na may curly hair, na nakaupo lang, na may table na may cloth na red or brown or whatever color is that. Mga siyang,
Top right, no?
oh,
Okay.
okay, after that, bottom right is a guy, man, may hawak na screwdriver, tapos may inayos siyang parang box na ano.
Bottom right.
Yes, bottom right.
Okay na yun? Tapos na?
Meron pa. Bottom right ulit na yung lalaki naka suspender, parang nilalangaw siya or something. Tapos may dalawang bata sa likod na tinatawanan siya. Tapos yung isa nakaturo.
I got another item.
Okay. What you got? Parang
I got ear.
okay, got it. Enter to confirm. Yes. Okay, communicate. Oh. Okay, I have 3 letters here and 3 numbers.
Mm-hmm.
Na, well...
Is that XYZ in 1, 2, 3?
Yes.
Okay, the sequence is 2 Yankee, 3
Ay?
Zebra, and
Three
then
zebra.
1 Silo.
Okay, there is a message in the eye of the crow. Yun ang clue for you.
Okay, there is another sequence. Yankee 3,
Ay, wait. Okay, Yankee 3.
Silo 1, Zebra 2.
Okay, next message is, there is a message in your own reflection.
It's 312, Zebra Yankee side.
Oh my God. Okay, so merong photo sa akin. Merong bali kung pa-square siya, ang south niya is may coffin. Meron bang ganun sa'yo? Then, left side is west. West side is parang desk. And then, east side is, what is this? Parang may, or round table na may chair. Then, parang may wall torch or lantern, whatever this is. Tapos, yung north nga is, not sure if this is a door or basta may square siya. It's open, parang ganun.
What does that mean?
Parang, wait, let me see if, hala, yun lang. And, dun sa picture, ano ata to? Map ata to ng, kung nasan ka ngayon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds
So, dun sa may round table na may chair, dun sa tabi ng chair is parang may nakaturo dun eh. So, baka may compartment dun or something.
Where?
Dun sa, kung nakatingin ka dun sa round, di ba yung round table, tapos chair. Sa right side ng chair, dun nakaturo, may parang, ano dun, something, cabinet or whatever.
Okay, I have another code.
Okay.
Silo Zebra Yankee
Silo Zebra Yankee.
312.
Okay, printing. Eat your hot soup and you will find a gift. You eat soup.
How do I actually do this?
Walang ano na sa akin dito eh.
Hindi ba baka sa table kakain sa... Pero hindi ba kutsara yan? Yung nasa ano? Hindi ba nakahalo? Or lagay mo sa stove tapos siya masasandawin?
Wala, hindi na may balik.
Di ba pwede mag-combine? Or baka figure of speech yung ano, kakaipin. If you kakain kaya.
Try dragging or something.
Yeah, I've been trying to do it.
Kasingot mo eh.
Ay, nakalagay lang sa akin, eat your hot soup and you will find a gift.
Tapon mo sa sahig, kakainin mo na kailangan kayo. Ano nga yun? Para na-try mo na lahat ng to. Ayun.
Ayun, ano pala to?
Ano?
Okay. Something. I know what it was.
Okay.
Okay, I got something again.
Ayun. Hindi na yung secret na yung
Ano
lahat
nangyari?
naman. Kanina natawa ko no, ano, may tinanggal siyang tingin.
Ay. My dear daughter Ruth, read this letter you have activated the device I have been working on. And you just in the right way can Okay.
May nakuha ka ba? Dun sa ano?
I found a letter and a coin.
Dun sa zoo?
Well, I found the letter and the coin in a machine. When you read this letter, you have activated the device I've been working on. When used in the right way, it can help the person in 1984, which is probably you. It is your task to transfer bone, flesh, and blood into the future to initiate the resurrection process. Your loving father, Albert.
Okay.
Where do I use this
Pero, kasi itong sa XYZ123, kailangan may ma-obtain kang blood.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you
I
did.
did.
Okay.
I did get tooth, blood, and ear.
Okay. Okay, confirm ko na to. Complete. And then, enter the year of the future. Anong year?
1984.
84. Okay, may nakuha akong cassette tape. Wait, insert cassette tape and just both of you complete game of chess. Oh my god, there is chess? Wait, hold on. 1435.
1435. 14. I have no idea where I can put that. 1435 pala. Okay, never mind. So, 1435. Okay. Okay.
Oh,
I found chess pieces.
yes. I also have chessboard here na may white and black na tag-isa lang na pieces.
Mm-hmm.
What do? Sabi sa akin, open chess for both of you, complete game of chess.
Okay, can you move the pieces?
The white one only.
Okay, try moving it forward.
Hindi, may umiilaw sa akin red light, tapos binabalik sa ano ko.
Saan nakaposisyon yung white piece mo?
Sa F1. Tapos yung sa'yo, yung black, nasa A1.
Huh? Hindi ba nasa A6 yung sa'yo?
Nasa F1 yung sa akin.
Okay. F1 yung sa'yo.
Oh, yung white.
Try moving it sa A6.
Ayun. Nag-move yung sa'yo to E5.
E5. Sa'yo naman is A3.
Okay. E1 yung sa'yo. Echo 1.
Foxtrot 3.
Charlie 3.
Delta 1.
Charlie 6.
I got another coin. Bale, yung sa'yo nasa ano na? D6.
Ayun. I got a floppy disk.
Okay. Okay. What the hell?
Oh no.
Oh shit! Horror games.
Okay, I wasn't expecting that. What the fuck? Where did you go? Oh shit. I wasn't.
You need to place the coin on the eyes of the deceased.
Oh yes, I did.
Nigga, already did.
Wait. Press enter.
Where are you going?
Just smoke this or flip the six yung 6 switches ulit kanina.
Down, up, down, and then
Wait,
down,
wait.
up.
Wait, they get out of here. Ano ulit? Up, down, up?
Down, up, down, and then down, up.
Okay. I only have one fuse.
Friend?
Break visual contact. What?
You must have.
Friend? 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 Friend, faster, friend!
No,
It's
wala.
almost time, friend!
I need more fuses.
Kinukuha na siya.
Yung 2 o'clock arrow, 6 o'clock cross, and then spoon is 10 o'clock.
Saan yung cross?
6 o'clock. Where is he?
Oh, no.
Shit. No, it's not almost
Oh
time.
no! Okay, okay, one more. I need another fuse.
What's new? Oh, shit. Arrows. Yung linya, wait lang. Hinahanap ko siya, pukin na nila.
Linya?
Mami.
It is almost
Wait,
time.
third, first, and then fifth.
Third,
Yung
first,
vertical
and
arrows
fifth.
kanina.
Ay, vertical arrows?
Yung kanina. Basta yung kanina. Third, first, and fifth.
Third, first, and fifth. Walang binigay sa akin.
Oh shit. Blue
Support candy,
flame,
Blue
Hindi
flame?
nasa- Hindi nasa fourth mo nilagay yung ano. Hindi fifth yun.
Ay,
Third,
kaki.
first, fifth.
Pala, sorry.
Mami.
Terrorize pa yung kasawa mo.
I do not like the pass within.
Ayan na!
No.
To finish
Mami.
program. Wait, pulling.
What do I do?
Wait. 1520.
15. 20. Lagpas.
Sobrang.
20.
Ay, 15. 20. Tama naman ba?
1520.
Di pala.
25 yung kanina.
Yeah.
Let me know if na.
Yes, sir.
The fuck is this game?
It's the past within. Okay
The
na?
past within.
Nalagay mo na yung time?
Golden cube. Oh, I got golden.
Place it in the cubicle device.
Cubicle device.
Let me know if nalagay mo na.
I did.
Okay. Press and hold the down arrow button for 10 seconds. Press and hold at exactly the same time.
Oh no!
Oh no!
What? What you did? What? What up? What? Why?
Oh no.
He pressed
no.
it when you said it.
Oh no.
Gawin mo na.
Go! Yeah.
Nakapress na ako ha. Nakapress na ako.
So, kanino pa?
The past.
The past is now in the present of the future.
Hindi naman nata kailangan. Para lang siguro sabay kayo sa ano, sa cutscene.
Okay, may cutscene nga.
Oh! Oh, it's that first one.
The Future, Chapter 2. Oh, Chapter 1 pa lang yun.
Ilang chapter ba yun?
I don't know.
Ano yun, nangingit ka
Nasa
ako ng tenga.
cutscene pa? Click to interact.
Ano, Aaron, ako na. Gathering.
Oo. Tignan mo na ano na yung ano, nagsastart na yung weed farm natin.
Ah,
Yung ano,
Power-
sa-
Tayo.
ano na?
may
I think
weed
we need
farm
to take a break muna kasi needs me.
Okay, how do this? Do I just exit? Will it be saved?
I guess.
Matagal ka ba mawala?
I'm not sure. If you want to, but we can wait.
Oh, like naka-ano na lang. Open na lang.
I need your code.
Ay,
Yeah, may
natry
ano
mo na
ako
ba,
dito.
Ken, yung ano?
Teka.
Yung story mode Ken ng Delta, ano?
Okay. Code is Zebra 1,
Oo.
Ako lang si Chris.
Bumili ako 50 corn Aaron. Mura lang.
Okay, ano yan?
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay
Lakas
naman.
ba ako?
Naghihina lang
Pagka-
din ako. Okay. Zebra 1, Silo 2, 3 Yankee. Yan na ba yung pang power nung resurrection tank?
Meron kang black cube sa C9.
Black cubes? Wait. Ayun, black cube. Teka. Oh! Oh, no. Oh. Wait. Eto, C9. Yeah, yung... Wait, black cube. Ayan, nalagay ko na.
Okay, yung code is bale
1 to 9. Tama?
bale ang naka-blacken is 1, 3, 4, 6, tsaka 7.
Okay. Putang ina mo. May tao na sa akin. Okay. What next? May umiilaw sa akin
Ayun, sabi ko
dito.
spray yung material na yung maganda sa road.
Ito, oras?
Ano yan?
Stone Road.
Stone road na pala yun.
May
Akala ko
nagano
like,
sa akin
ano,
oras
crush.
dito? Meron bang
Crush
parang
lang.
orasan dyan? Mukha siya.
Ano yung stone road?
Meron kang switch dyan. And then with pointers, red, white, and black.
Yun.
Yes. Bali yung black is nasa 9 o'clock. White is nasa 6 o'clock. Red is nasa 3 o'clock.
Ay, may nagbebenta rin dyan ng ano, stone road tool. Ay, yung 3
Ano ba yun?
cups.
Okay.
Worth na kaya?
I just keep looking for now. I'm doing something here. I have a number with a decimal point and part of a piano key? Piano keys?
No, not this one. Teka. No, not... ito. No. Piano keys. Teka.
Yeah, I have piano keys with music notes. So A to G. And then I have a number with the decimal point.
Wait, wala akong makitang ano. May nilagay kang bone, flesh, blood somewhere? Wala pa.
Wala pa aside sa ear, tooth, and blood dito.
Ayun, yun yung bone, flesh, blood.
What do you need
Like
from-
parang nilagay na? Or hindi pa?
Hindi, nakalagay na siya dito kanina pa. I mean, ito yung nilagay ko from part 1.
Ano yung meron ka ulit? Piano keys and...
And a number with decimal point, 91.4.
Ay! 91.4. Ito, wait. Meron akong radyo dito. Binigyan akong letters. Alpha Golf, Alpha Bravo. 4.
Alpha
Golf, Alpha Bravo.
72.0.
Okay, 7. Charlie Delta Echo. Wait, may pang-apat. Charlie Delta Echo Golf.
85.3.
Echo Delta Echo Charlie.
110.2.
Bilis nun. Teka. Bravo Alpha Golf Alpha. Baga.
Okay, I got another button. Oh my god. What the fuck are you doing? I'm not like what I'm seeing right now. Okay, I have 6 sequences with 3 boxes each. And with some of them blackened. 6 sets of 3 horizontal bars with blackened parts.
Okay. Yung 6 na ano, parang may 1, 2, 3 siya for every 3.
Bale,
Okay, go.
yung naka-blackened is second, first, third, first, second, second.
Sorry. Ulit?
Second, first, third, first, second, second.
Oh! Okay. What's this? Chalk. May nakuha akong chalk. May malaking ngipin dito for some reason pero hindi ko pa siya hindi ko siya like nagagalaw or anything.
And chalk.
May chalk ako dito and may parang chalkboard. So, ay! Ayun! Nagsulat siya. May mga symbol ako dito. And may code din sa baba. Yung XYZ na 1, 2, 3. Yan.
Okay. Ano yan?
Yung
Ano
code, Silo 3, Zebra 1, Yankee 2.
Okay, may nakalagay dito. When I lay in my coffin and my eyes become white, my soul will turn black. Use the cube to connect to the future. Bring me bone, flesh, and blood. So, may mga naka-underline dito.
Nas-
Coffin, eyes, soul, cube, future, bone, flesh, and blood.
Coffin. Sorry. Coffin.
Ice.
Ice. Wait. Ice. Yung parang cube? Ay,
Not sure.
ano siya? Ice.
Yung mga... Ano siya? Ice na ice mata.
Ice mata! Sorry. Okay. Okay.
Coffin,
ice.
Soul.
Soul. Soul. Yung ito. Okay. And then,
Cube.
okay.
Future.
Future. Itong time. Okay. And then,
Bone, flesh, and...
ayun. It's doing something. It gave me a hammer. Yung baka dun sa ano, teka. Ayun, nag-crack nga. Meow. And then? What? Did not... okay. Okay. Meron... Okay na yung bone. Yung teeth. Okay. What next? Teka. Scalpel ako dito, pero para saan? I have a glass. Okay. I have a glass with water. I have grown old. Ano pa? May scalpel ako dito. May match. And then may glass of water. Sa'yo ba? Anong meron sa'yo dyan?
So far, ang mga interact ko is... Let's see. Meron ako ditong ear na meron pa siyang parang ring na may tali. I can still interact with the red, white, and black.
Red, white, and black. Okay, ito. Tingnan natin kung...
I can still interact with the
ayun!
piece.
Wait. I did something. Ito. Yung red, white, and black ulit. Okay. Black is nasa 3 o'clock. Red is nasa 9 o'clock. White is nasa 11 o'clock.
Okay. I got...
nakuha kong susi. May daga dito.
I can progress.
Saan kaya itong susi ko? Right here. May dalawang blueprint ako dito for 2 hidden compartments. Wait. And then may monitor ako dito na may nakakabit na tag dito, arrow keys, up, down, left, right. Then may coffee maker ako dito.
Ako naman, ang nabuksan ko is a compartment na may gears pero may missing akong 3 gear. May blueprint ka na may compartments na nakatago?
Yeah.
Sa anong itsura niya?
Ito may gears dito. Yung isang 3 gear. Ito. Wait. Let me just... Oh. Ilan yung kulang mong gear, Kamo? 3? Okay. May mga nakaturo dito kung nasan yung 3. Itong isang blueprint is... Ano to? Parang... Bali, may 3 ano siya. 3 nasa loob nung box ba to or something or ano.
3 cylinder?
Cylinder, no. Bali, may yung placement nung ano nga is may sa left side is may may square, may rectangle sa ilalim. Then yung right side niya is malaking vertical na rectangle. Tapos yung nakaturo na gears is yung first one is nasa left side na gitna, then yung isang gear is nasa top right.
Oh wait, I got 1. Okay, I got 2.
Okay, yung third is sa ibang ano siya. Ibang
I got 3.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Mawabog yung cube ko. Naging dark powder siya.
Okay. Nawala na yung ear ko dito. I have 3 small levers na may 5 levels each. Yeah, 3 levers siya. And then, meron siyang mga lines to indicate level or parang positions.
Parang up, down, left, right.
No? Parang, ano siya eh, parang siyang thermometer. Hindi,
Okay.
May thermometer, may
Yeah.
linya, diba?
Okay, yun. Meron ako dito. Yung coffee maker. Asan yung sa thermometer?
Hindi, I can move him.
Okay. Hold on. What? Ano itong nakuha ko? Coffee. Putang ina, nakagawa ko ng coffee doon. Wait. Let me try something. Heat missing. Flesh missing. Saan ko lalagay? Kailangan ko ng lagayan, pero saan nakuha nung lagayan or something? Flesh missing eh. So, most likely kailangan kong
Yeah. Bale yung, ano ko kasi dito, bale yung tenga yung nawala nung ginalaw ko to, nung tinapos ko yung last puzzle.
Try mo bumalik.
And then,
Ay, sige, go.
yeah, may yung tenga nawala, tas nagkaroon nga ako nitong puzzle na May tatlong levers with 5 levels of position.
Makakabalik. Tignan mo nga kung nagbago sa'yo yung 6 ano ulit kanina. Yung may dark, may blackened na position.
No. Ano pa rin? 213, 122 pa rin. And I can't interact with it anymore. So far, yung who, yung red, white, black, the piano keys, yes.
Ay, putang na. Press down button when the person in the past found missing gears. Ay, pala. Hayop. Okay. Wait. May Oh. Kailangan ko ng 6 na sequence ng up, down, left, right.
6 na sequence to up, down, left, right.
Yun yung parang progress sa akin.
Up, down, left, right. Up, down, left, right. Anim na sequence? Well, I have gears dito na 6.
Oo.
But I don't know how to translate that to left down, up down, left, right.
Position? Ay.
Well,
Kasi kaya ako na open yung ito is pina-confirm niya kung nakuha mo na yung missing gears. So maybe it's connected.
kasi position ng gears dito, well, kunyari, yung isa nasa gitna. Yung susunod na gear is nasa top right. But, top right, tas bottom right, tas bottom right. Parang may mga sa gears na to, may mga gold na part. Pero, that's just
Kasi may etong sa screen ko ngayon, yung merong ma-enter na 6 sequence is may 3 symbol siya sa taas. First symbol is parang hook, yung hook. Then pangalawa is parang tenga. Then pangatlo is parang 3 linya. Nagbiblink to ngayon. Siya lang yung nag-iisang nagbiblink.
Ano yan? Anong
Position. So,
Oo.
3 linya siya na pa-vertical.
Aha.
Okay. So, first is nasa, kung ilan to? 5. Fourth, first, then third.
Ayun. Ito na. So, yung arrow sequence, direction sequence is left, up, up,
Okay.
and then down, left, up.
Ay, left, up. Sorry. Left, up, up,
Left, down,
down,
left,
left, up. Ayun, okay. Is something. Okay, new code. Yankee 3.
wait. Yankee 3.
Silo 1.
Yankee 3.
Yankee 3. Silo 1. Zebra 2.
Okay, I have a maze here with
Ayan. So, yung...
7 by 7.
Hmm.
Then may
Yung...
positions na 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Ah, okay. Ito tayo yun. So, yung sa akin, meron ako noon, yung 7 by 7. Tapos yung 1, 2, 3 is nakahiwalay siya. Dun sa 7 by 7 ko, may hook icon sa pinakauna. So, 1, 1. If 1 to 7 left to right, then 1 to 7 up to down.
So, nasa top left yung hook. Okay. Tapos, pwede mo siyang galawin.
Yeah. Gamit
Okay. Go right 3 times.
2, 3. Okay.
And then go down 3 times.
1, 2, 3.
Go right 2 times.
1, 2.
Go up 2 times.
1, 2.
Go right 1 time.
Okay.
Then go down 2 times.
2.
Did
Okay.
something happen?
Yeah, nag-fill yung isa.
Okay. And then go up 2 times.
Okay.
Go left 1 time.
Okay.
Go down 2 times.
1, 2.
Left 2 times.
1, 2.
Up 2 times.
1, 2.
Left 1 time.
Okay.
Go down 4 times.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And then go right 3 times.
1, 2, 3.
Down once.
Okay.
Right once.
Okay.
Up 2 times.
1, 2. Okay, nag-fill up yung second.
Okay. Go down 2 times.
Okay.
And then left once.
Okay.
Up once.
Okay.
Left 3 times.
1, 2, 3.
Go down 1 time.
Okay.
Left 2 times.
1, 2.
Up 4 times.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Right 1 time.
Okay.
And then down 3 times.
1, 2, 3. Yun. Oh. Teka. Oh, wow. Ang laking tenga. Do I use the scalpel? I did. Okay. And then, dito ata. No. Dun sa ano. Teka. This one. Ayun. Okay. I have new code. Yung XYZ code. 3 silo, 2 zebra, 1 Yankee.
Ay, gago. Mali, sorry.
Okay.
3 silo.
3 silo, 2 zebra,
2 zebra.
1 Yankee.
Okay, I have instructions here to add liquids.
Yes. I have 3 liquids here.
Okay, anong mga nakita mo symbols yan?
Bali yung isa kong liquid is yung ano ba, yung shape nung parang lagayan?
Meron kasi ako dito pwedeng may instructions dito para gumawa ng acid, water, and coffee, and hot acid, hot water, and hot coffee.
Okay. Meron,
May symbols sila. So, I'm not sure what to...
okay. Nakagawa na ako ng kumpleto ko na yung acid water and coffee. Bali and pwede ko din silang gawing hot.
Oh, wait. Okay. Never mind. Ito. Ang kailangan na, order na i-add mo is acid, and then water, and then hot coffee.
Okay. Acid,
Acid, water, and then hot coffee.
Hot coffee. Okay. New code. Step 2. 1 Yankee. 3 silo. 2 zebra.
Okay. May steps dito. Anong nakikita mo? Triangular, rectangular, or oval?
Saan yun?
Yung flesh.
Rectangular siya.
Rectangular. Kung rectangular siya, ang kailangan mo is water, coffee, and then hot water.
Okay. New code. 2 zebra, 1 silo, 3 Yankee.
Okay.
Mga
Kung may hair, may
pa-
pimple, or smooth.
may hair.
Okay. Hot, acid,
Okay.
water, hot water.
Hot water. Putang ina mo, nagkaroon ng ilong. Step 4. 1 Yankee, 2 silo, 3 zebra.
Okay. Mata, ngipin, o ilong?
Ilong.
Okay. Acid, water, hot acid.
Okay, completed. What? Putang ina mo. Uy. Yun. Okay. Ayun, okay. Umilaw na yung flash. Weirdo. Okay, balik dun sa clock. Yung black, white, red.
Mhm.
Okay. White is nasa 2 o'clock. Black is nasa 5 o'clock. Red is nasa, lagpas siya onti sa 10 o'clock.
Yun.
Ano lang siya,
10 o'clock yan. Yeah, 10 o'clock.
Katabi siya nung 10 o'clock. Hindi siya eksakto eh. For some reason. Like, if that matters. Pero nasa 10 o'clock siya.
Okay. I have new item.
Ah! Ah! What are you doing here? The fuck? Ala! Ayun. Ayun. Pinatay niya yung ano.
Okay, I have a set of symbols here. My crow, what is this? B, and then antler with skull, and then person, and then house, eye, heart,
Okay, hold on.
and circles with
Ayun, teka. Oh, what is this? Ion. Ooh! Okay. Ay, mali. Teka lang. I have... Wait. Sorry, ano yung klaseng symbols na nasa sa'yo?
wait, Wait, may sinubukan na ako. Okay, there is a timer. So, ibibigay ako sa yung code, symbol. Then, ang pwede mong sabihin sa akin is bird, B, I guess I'm saying this is antler,
Bird,
then
bee,
person,
antler, person.
house, I, heart, and then circle na may line sa baba. So, I'm guessing that says spoon.
Okay. Tapos yung symbol na nasa iyo na ibibigay mo sa akin is like yung parang inverted cross, ganun, letter T.
Yes, ang nakita ko isang symbol is circle na may cross sa gitna.
Okay. May timer nga siya. Kasi may ano. Okay. On.
Okay, ready, set, go. Libro.
Libro. Okay.
Two rectangles.
Okay.
What icon?
Okay. Kailangan pala itong pindutin.
Ulit.
Antler.
Okay, ulit.
Ulit. May
Ready?
isa pa pala siyang parang lever. Okay. On. Okay. Go.
Libro.
Okay. Antler.
T.
Person.
Circle cross.
Bird.
Line na may circle sa bottom left.
Ano to? Bahay. Parang bahay.
Square na may little T sa may
Okay. Tree.
Tree pala yun.
Puno. Yeah.
Inverted cross.
Heart.
Horizontal line na may circle sa upper right.
B.
S.
I. Wait. Natapos na siya.
Natapos na siya.
Okay, hold on. Blood. Oh my god. Back to the fucking clock.
Lock. Okay.
Yeah. White is nasa 4 o'clock. Black is nasa 6 o'clock. And then red is nasa 8 o'clock.
Okay. Huh. How did I see this? Thanks. Okay, I have 3x3 here with some of them
Black.
with black squares.
Yeah. Okay, go.
And then telescope siya. Then I can rotate. I can change the blackened parts sa 3x3, and then it will be looking at a different item every time.
Huh.
So I'm looking at chess pieces, candles, broken vase, and clock. Is that
Okay. Ngayon, dun sa katabi ng 3x3 ko, may candle. One candle only though.
one candle? So if I'm looking at the candles here, ang naka-blacken sa kanya is 3 and 8.
Ayun, nagbago. Naging chess pieces.
Chess pieces is naka-blackened is 1, 4, 6, and then
Naging clock. Old clock.
clock is 1, 5, and 9.
Naging rose. Flower.
Rose is 2, 4, and 5.
Ayun. Wala. Wait. May nangyayaring something. Ayun. Ayun. Utang ina, may na-resurrect ako. Ah!
It's you, my daughter.
It's you, my daughter.
It seems much time has passed.
My God, na-resurrect ko siya.
You have brought me back to life.
You have brought
But
me back to life.
We are not finished yet.
We are not finished yet.
We are all trapped
We are all
in the
trapped
cubes
in
we
the
have
cubes
created.
we have created.
We have to find a way out.
We have to find a way out. Okay?
Look into my pocket.
Look, I have new code.
Mhm.
3 silo, Yankee 2, 1 zebra.
Okay, I have another sentence here. Ice, future, mask, gem, and cube underline.
Okay, okay. Ulit. Eyes,
Mata, future,
future,
mask, and gem.
mask. Eto, mask. Wait. Mask, and then gem.
And then cube.
Gem. Ito gem. And then cube. Okay. Gave me a key. Golden key. I have 3 items here. Music mask, deer mask, and snow mask. Oh.
Give me a mask.
Give me a mask, sabi niya. Pero what mask will I give? Do I choose anything or...
Wait. Wait. Something's going on.
Okay.
I have 3 kind of half men sculptures with a hexagon hole in them. One mannequin has nothing on it. Second has antlers. Third has half of a mask.
Okay, so... Teka.
Give me a mask.
Oh. Okay. Ayun. Yung clock ulit. Kanina. White. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
White is 3 o'clock. Black is 7 o'clock. Red is 11 o'clock.
Okay, I don't know if that matters. Pero, sinamskar ako ng dad natin. Okay, I got white gem.
White gem. Okay. Let me try this one. Oh. Wait.
Full pockets yung mga nilalaro nyo.
May tatlong linya ulit na may position. So, first, third, fifth, and first.
Okay, I have red gem.
Okay. Trying the other mask. Wait. Ayun, nagbigay sa radyo ulit. Bilis. Fox Golf Delta Charlie.
Okay, I have golden gem. So, where do I put the gems? I have a half mast, antler, and a normal one.
Hindi, yun, nagamit ko na yun. Yun yung binibigyan niya akong clue para nakuha mo yung gem.
Wait. Anong... Yung huling mask na binigay mo, anong tsura?
Yung half mask.
Half mask. Yung pangalawa,
Yung antler
Hindi ako.
mask.
Bubos naman eh.
so does that mean I put them in order of
Of the
where
mask?
I got them?
Yeah,
Mhm.
maybe.
Okay. Something's going on.
Wala din ako masyadong ma-interact dito eh. Uy, gusto ko.
What are you doing, friend? Alright, I have a 3x3 combination ulit. Ang naka-highlight is 2, 7, and 9.
Okay. Okay, nakuha ko yung cube and may C9 dito.
C9.
Yeah,
Wait.
Charlie 9 na.
Give me the cube.
Give me the cube. Ito yung cube, tatay.
The past.
The
Yeah.
past
In
in
the
the
future.
future. The
The
future.
future in the
In the
past.
should
past.
gi-
Hmm?
You should give the black cube.
A cube.
Yeah.
Inside a
Ito,
cube.
nagsasalita si tatay.
There is a way out.
Or
There is a way out.
To the lake, where we both belong, my daughter.
To the lake where we both belong, my daughter.
If the 3 gems are found, and the golden cube is revealed in the past,
If the 3 gems are found and the golden cube is found in the
look
past,
closely into the cube I hold.
look closely into the cube I hold.
Both of you. Press and hold the middle of the cube for 10 seconds at the same time.
Ito both of you, press and hold the middle of the cube for 10 seconds at the same time.
okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go. Wow. Wow. Oh, is this you? You're holding the golden cube? Ay, no. What? Ano nangyari? What is happening? Wow. Wow. Wow.
Oh,
Wow.
oh,
Wow.
oh.
Wow. Wow.
Tira mo mamaya natinidad to.
Ano to?
I have reached the end. Has the other person also reached the end?
Yes ba?
Yes.
Nag-download ako. Nag-lock. Ano ba?
Loop
The loop
is
is
broken.
The gap is
Gap
closed.
is closed. Time,
Time
doesn't
doesn't
exist in the lake. The future and the past blend together. You and the other person are the same. You both belong to the lake now.
Akala ko namamak you.
All will blossom.
For your soul will blossom.
Look,
Wow.
talaga puro tayo. I don't wanna be a tree.
With
Oh
flowers.
no, I'm now gay.
Tayo naman niresurrect natin yung tatay para tayo yung maging puno.
Oh, it's done.
Oh, it's done. You can hold click to fasten the credits. Oh, make sure to choose the butterfly mode for new solutions to all puzzles. Merong isa pang kind. B nga pala yung pinili natin. Main menu. Okay.